Hi, I'm Andy, the Trend Follower. It's Saturday, the 3rd of September 2022. Welcome to this week's review of the different asset classes. I don't know which asset classes are going to do best, so I follow 7 of them. Shares, property, gold, commodities, cryptocurrency, bonds, and foreign exchange. Let's have a look at shares. First of all, and do you remember me wailing about this trade a week ago? It had stopped out for a loss, which was a bit of a pain at the time, but this week it fell further. So I'm happy to be out of the trade and in cash. Every cloud has a silver lining. Did you see my post about shorting the Nasdaq earlier this week? Well, I did short it, and this trade is currently in profit. I don't actually track the Nasdaq as my shares section of my portfolio, but I guess I could do. It has a similar profile to the fund that I do use, but shorting an index is always easier than shorting a fund. So yeah, this trade is in profit, which is great. I've set a stop loss order just above the 6-month moving average. That's the blue line, and I'll trade it down each week. I wonder how low it will go. I shouldn't be too hopeful. I'll just let it run and see what happens. Let's look at property now, and a further fall for my property fund this week. It's well below the green line and I'm in cash. Very happy to be out of this trade and sitting on the sidelines watching it fall and looking to the day when one day I buy in at a lower price. Let's look at gold next, and gold priced in pounds rose very slightly. This week it's above the green line, so I'm staying invested in gold. Going to look at commodities now, and my long commodities trade fell down this week quite a bit actually. It was a bit of a surprise. Not quite enough for the trade to be closed, but it was a surprise nevertheless. It is above the green line, so I'm staying invested, but I wonder if this will stay the case. Cryptocurrency is next on the list, and I use a cryptocurrency proxy. This fell back. I'm long the crypto proxy at the moment. When it closed above the 6-month moving average, I went long. It's dropped back the past couple of weeks, but it still is above the 6-month moving average. It closed just above it this week. My stop loss order is a little lower down, just below it. You can see it's very close really to where the closing price was at the end of the week. So will I get stopped out this coming week? Well, I have no idea. I have to just not worry about it and allow the market to decide what will be. Bonds are next, and the bonds that I followed didn't change very much this week. I'm still in cash waiting for a buy order. Let's look at Forex next, and the euro dollar is what I follow in foreign exchange. They're the biggest 2 currencies that are traded, and the euro fell further against the dollar. How low can it go? Well, I guess it can just keep on going down. I'm in cash, but I really should have a short trade open, but I don't, which is very frustrating. So I'm just waiting for the price to turn around. Who knows when that will happen? Let's have a look at the traffic lights for all of the asset classes this week. So my shares fund is on a red, property remains a red, gold remains green, commodities remains green, my new crypto proxy is an amber just, and bonds remain a red, as does the euro US dollar forex trade. What do I have to do this week? Well, I just need to adjust my stop loss orders on my open positions. It's nice and easy. Do you want to see a weekly update? Make sure you're signed up to my Substack. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor. This video is just about what I'm doing. It's not advice from me to you. I don't make any claim about how the strategy might perform for me or indeed anybody else in the future. If you copy me, you might end up living in a cardboard box. Regard this as entertainment, just like gambling. Have a great week and give some money to the Ukrainian refugee UNHCR fund. Bye for now.